The best of the best marketing platform. There's nothing on the market that can rival Onpassive. This is a smart digital marketing platform. I highly recommend anybody to check it out. I'm 100% sure you have never seen anything like this. A great opportunity in the marketing industry opening soon. This new tech company is on track to dominate both the internet and the marketing industry across the entire continent. However, due to an unusual situation, few outside of internet marketing are even aware that this exists. Those who know about it and act now could reap a fortune. Imagine having a magic button that can do multiple things for your business at the same time. Stop and check this out right now. There's really is nothing else on the planet like this. You will not see anyone else doing something like this for you anytime soon. You tap into and profit from every product being created by the company. There are so many benefits being offered that it would take me hours to write them all out here. The soft launch for founders is starting very soon now. No time to sit back, get your position right away. This has taken 2 years to build from the ground upwards. Hundreds of videos have been telling you this. Get back to me, Bill Must, or the person who sent you this video. Hurry, get in today.